Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show how to make veg momos. Let's see the ingredients required. Firstly, we need 1 cup of maida, 1 cup of carrot, 1.5 cups of cabbage, 3 finely chopped chilies, salt as per your taste, chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Firstly, take a bowl and add 1 cup of maida in it. Add some salt and mix it well. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil and mix it well. Now add some water and mix it well and make it as a thick dough. After the dough is prepared, cover it with the lid for half an hour. On the stove and put it in medium flame. Now add some oil. After the oil is heated, add garlic and chilies. And let it fry for 10 seconds. Now add onions. Add carrots. And add cabbage also. And mix it well and let it cool. After it is cooled, add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and salt as per your taste. And mix it well. Make small rotis. Make thin rotis like this. Let's start making veg momos. Now take some curry and put it in the center. Apply some water to the corners. Now fold the corners as shown. Meanwhile, boil the water for steaming momos. Grease the steaming bowl with oil. Lightly grease momos with oil. After greasing, steam it for 5 minutes in medium flame and cover it with a lid. After 5 minutes, switch off the stove and take the momos carefully out. Finally, the veg momos are ready. Serve it hot with sauce or any chutney. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.